We have a big day planned, guys.
We're going to pick up my Grammy and my dad's mom, her new dog, and she's coming with us, and she's gonna be so excited when she gets to have another dog, because the sad news is her other one passed away.
Yeah, Grammy's dog passed away a couple months ago.
And then I cried.
Yeah, we were all very sad, but we're going to get a new dog in Massachusetts. And hey, we're going to be driving by a place called HK Powersports in Hooksett, New Hampshire. We might as well stop in and grab a brand new 2022 KLX110 and give it away to somebody. I don't need a pit bike right now.
Yes, we do.
Dawson says we need a pit bike, and yes, they are a blast, and I got two, but only one's in stock right now. I want to go pick this thing up, and I want to pimp it out, and I want to give it away to a Rave Xer. So we are headed to pick up a puppy and go get a brand new KLX 110.
Can I be the Rave Xer?
Sturbridge, Massachusetts, where we're going to pick up a little puppy. And we're going to pick up the puppy and then head over to HK Powersports to grab a 2022 KLX 110 for Rave X to give away to one lucky Rave Xer. Hey Grammy, you excited to go get a puppy?
I am.
What's her name?
Olivia. And she's a little doll.
And then where are we going?
To get a bike. Is it a bike? I don't know.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
You've arrived.
HK Powersports.
Yeah, look at she's right in the front.
'22 KLX 110, guys.
A Kawasaki?
Yep.
What's up, guys? We are at HK Powersports.
HK Powersports right now, picking up the new KLX 110.
We are going to give this away. It's a brand new 2022 KLX 110R.
Gonna do some customizations on her. Brand new giveaway for the brand new year.
We wanna go, go.
What do you think, Doss?
Psyched.
Psyched for some lucky person to win this thing? Are you a little mad we're giving it away?
Yeah, very.
HK Powersports coming through with the KLX 110.
If you get really lucky, you could win this brand new KLX 110R.